This is the AI News Flash for July 22nd, 3 p.m. UTC. First up, Samsung Electronics is in talks to invest around $1 billion in French AI startup Mistral, the Financial Times reported on July 22nd. If completed, the deal could value Mistral at roughly 20 billion euros, or about $23 billion. Samsung has previously backed the company through its venture arm. The move aims to support Mistral as a sovereign AI alternative to US players. Just a day earlier, Microsoft announced a multi-billion-dollar partnership around Mistral's European infrastructure. With the White House restricting foreign access to Anthropic's latest models, momentum is building across Europe and Asia to secure AI outside American control. Next, enterprise software maker Pegasystems missed Wall Street expectations in its second quarter results, sending shares tumbling as much as 16.7% in pre-market trading. Adjusted earnings came in at 35 cents a share, short of the 43-cent forecast. Revenue rose 9% from a year earlier to $420.7 million, also below estimate. Management said unprecedented changes in the AI market have led enterprise customers to delay purchasing decisions, warning the trend could weigh on annual contract value growth through the rest of 2026. Barron's compared it to IBM's warning, calling it a potentially worse signal for software stocks. Citizens downgraded the stock in response. Third, Elon Musk says his AI tool Grok Imagine will produce a full-length version of Homer's Odyssey by the end of the year, calling it a historically accurate adaptation. Musk has repeatedly attacked Christopher Nolan's Odyssey, which has been breaking box office records, taking particular aim at its casting. The announcement came with a roughly 3-minute AI-generated clip that ironically contains several historical and visual errors, according to reports. It tests how close generative AI is to feature filmmaking, but a project claiming accuracy that reveals its own mistakes raises questions about how ready the technology really is. Fourth, researchers led by Universidad Carlos III de Madrid have unveiled a method using nighttime brain activity and AI to detect Alzheimer's disease early. The work appears in the journal Neuroscience. Electrodes placed on the scalp record neuron activity during sleep, and AI analyzes the brainwave patterns to catch protein buildup, such as beta amyloid, that precedes symptoms. Across 42 patients with mild to moderate Alzheimer's and 58 healthy controls, the algorithm distinguished the two groups with high accuracy and identified 3 biological subgroups. A researcher said recording electrical activity during sleep offers a window into the biological processes that eventually lead to symptoms. Still, it's early-stage work needing further validation before clinical use. Finally, a new Manpower Group study finds only 3% of organizations say their leaders are fully prepared to lead AI-enabled teams. The survey of 80 C-suite and HR leaders across the US and UK found 78% report employee fear of job loss and 63% report resistance to AI tools after deployment. 34% see the biggest productivity gains from roles where humans and AI collaborate, while just 8% point to fully automated roles. 86% rank AI upskilling among their top priorities for the next 12 to 18 months, showing the challenge has shifted from the technology itself to people and organizational readiness. That's all for this AI News Flash.